Let us prove SSS similarity. For that, we want to consider two triangles, triangle ABC and triangle XYZ. How we can prove this SSS similarity? Here, three sides of these two triangles are in the same ratio. We want to prove that these two triangles are similar. For that, first we want to draw two triangles ABC and XYZ. I draw PQ in such a way that XP is equal to AB and XQ is equal to AC. Here, what is given? Corresponding sides AB by XY is equal to BC by YZ is equal to AC by XZ. Then, to prove triangle ABC similar to triangle XYZ, that means the sides are in the same ratio, then we want to prove that the angles are equal. Then only we can say that the two triangles are similar. For that, I construct these two triangles. That means triangle ABC, and after join P and Q, I got the triangle XPQ. And it is given that AB by XY is equal to BC by YZ is equal to AC by XZ. And since by our construction AB is equal to XP and AC is equal to XQ, then we can rewrite AB by XY and AC by XZ as AB is XP and AC is XQ. So here we can write AB by XY is equal to BC by YZ is equal to AC by XZ. That is given the ratios, that is given AB by XY is equal to BC by YZ is equal to AC by XZ. Since AB is XP and AC is XQ, so XP by XY is equal to XQ by XZ. And reversing this, write the reciprocal. So this becomes XY by XP and this becomes XZ by XQ. Then subtracting from 1, that is from each ratio I want to subtract 1. So XY by XP minus 1 is equal to XZ by XQ minus 1. Then cross multiplying, XY minus XP by XP is equal to XZ minus XQ by XQ. Then what is XY minus XP? XY minus XP is PY and XZ minus XQ is QZ. So PY by XP is equal to QZ by XQ. That is PQ is a line segment and that intersect the two sides of triangle XYZ in the same ratio. So PQ parallel to YZ by converse of basic proportionality theorem. That is PQ is a line segment and that PQ cuts XY and XZ. That is XP by PY is equal to XQ by QZ, or PY by XP is equal to QZ by XQ. Then we can say that PQ parallel to YZ. Since these two lines are parallel, angle P equal to angle Y and angle Q equal to angle Z. We construct these two triangles in such a way that AB is equal to XY, XP and AC is equal to XQ. And we got angle P equal to angle Y and angle Q equal to angle Z. And we got triangle XPQ similar to triangle XYZ. That is, one angle is common and other two angles are equal. That is, angle P equal to angle Y and angle Q equal to angle Z. That means these two triangles are similar. That is XPQ similar to XYZ. Then we can say XP by XY is equal to XQ by XZ equal to PQ by YZ. XP by XY is equal to PQ by YZ is equal to XQ by XZ. And also AB by XY is equal to BC by YZ is equal to AC by XZ. Since by our construction AB and XP are equal, AC and XQ are equal, then this can be written as AB by XY should be equal to XP by XY, and BC by YZ is equal to XQ by XZ. Since BC by YZ is equal to AC by XZ, that AC is equal to XQ by XZ. This means that AC by XZ, BC by YZ and PQ by YZ are equal. That is XP by XY is equal to XQ by XZ is equal to AC by XZ, replacing XQ as AC, and that is equal to BC by YZ. And also that is equal to PQ by YZ, since PQ by YZ is equal to XP by XY and BC by YZ is equal to AB by XY. Therefore, from these two, we can say that BC and PQ are equal. That is, one more sides are equal to each other. Hence, we can say that the two triangles are congruent. That is, triangle ABC congruent to triangle XPQ. Then, angle A equal to angle X, angle B equal to angle P, and angle C equal to angle Q. And also angle P equal to angle Y and angle Q equal to angle Z. That means angle C and Z are equal and angle A and X are equal. Angle A equal to angle X, angle B equal to angle Y. Since angle B is equal to angle P, that angle P equal to angle Y. That means angle B and Y are equal, and angle Q is equal to angle Z and angle C. Therefore, these two angles are equal. Hence, we can say that triangle ABC similar to triangle XYZ.